Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your MetaTrader 5 account number. If you're new to using MetaTrader 5, or you simply need a quick refresher, this guide is designed to help you easily navigate the platform and locate your account number with clear, step-by-step instructions. Your account number is useful when logging in, contacting your broker, checking account details, or confirming whether you are using the correct demo or live trading account. To begin this process, the first action you want to take is to open up your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top menu, where you'll see several options. Here, your first step is to click on View. This is where we start our journey to reaching the account number information. Make sure the platform has fully loaded before continuing, especially if you have just opened it. When you click on View, a drop-down menu will appear with various sections that you can explore. From this list, what you want to click on next is Navigator. This option is important because it gives you quick access to the accounts connected to your MetaTrader 5 platform. The Navigator window is an essential tool in MetaTrader 5, giving you access to a wide array of resources without cluttering the main screen. It's one of those sections that, once you become familiar with using it, will make your trading and overall platform navigation much smoother. You can use it not only for accounts, but also for indicators, expert advisors, scripts, and other platform tools. After selecting Navigator, you will notice a new window to the left side of your screen. Within this window, you will see several different tabs organized in a column. Now, look for the tab labeled Accounts. If you have multiple accounts connected, this section will help you separate them clearly. Clicking on this tab will reveal all the accounts linked to your MetaTrader 5 platform. This is the area where your account number resides, along with other account details. You may see demo accounts, live accounts, or accounts from different brokers, depending on how your platform is set up. Now that you have clicked on Accounts, the final step is to locate and click on the specific account you're interested in. As you click on your chosen account, watch the details display right in front of you. Here, among other information, you will be able to see your account number clearly listed. It's as straightforward as that. Just make sure you are checking the correct account, especially if you use more than one trading account. With these steps, you can easily find your account number anytime you need it. It's crucial to remember that understanding the structure and navigation of the MetaTrader 5 platform can greatly enhance your trading experience. The more familiar you become with the platform layout, the faster you can manage important account and trading tasks. Feel free to explore different sections of the Navigator window to familiarize yourself with all that it has to offer. It can be a useful ally in managing multiple accounts or experimenting with demo and live trading setups. For example, if you are practicing on a demo account while also using a live account, the Navigator can help you quickly confirm which account you are currently working with. This straightforward process ensures you can quickly access and verify your account details without any hassle. It's designed to make sure you always have the necessary information at your fingertips, allowing you to focus more on your trading strategies and less on technicalities. This can save time when you need to share your account number with support, verify login details, or switch between accounts. Follow these steps whenever you need to retrieve your account number, and you'll be navigating MetaTrader 5 like a pro in no time. Once you know where the Navigator and Accounts sections are, finding this information becomes quick and simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made it easier for you to find what you're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on leveraging MetaTrader 5 to its fullest potential.